Okay, so we are now going to open one of the new casting for Matchbox. It's a 1970s Citroen. We're gonna check this out. I don't know how. There's no way to identify where this box came from, so I'm just gonna open it. Man, Matchbox has one of the toughest packaging ever. See how I have to really open it? Oh, surprisingly, it's very light. Oops. This came from Thailand. Plastic. This one has a plate number. The thing about Matchbox, it has a lot more details than Hot Wheels that I can recall. Like all of these are painted. Look at all the signal lights are painted from the back. You can see from here. I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, yellow. I don't know why they pick yellow or canary yellow for the Citroen. Usually I would see maybe a baby blue Citroen, but not canary yellow.